Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS 008 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magd.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTWSYS 008 traders. The title of this video is a bullish trade video 2. I recommend to traders to watch first bullish trade video 1 and bullish trade video 2 before watching this video. But this third part of this video is different from video 1 and video 2 because we're going to discuss a different type of bullish trade strategy. All right, let's get started. In the previous video, I want to quickly tell traders what we were discussing. Okay, in the previous video, we see that when the price moves from A to B, pay attention carefully, alright? That's why it's so important to watch the previous video from A to B. And the price goes up above the 50% of the initial move. The initial move is the A to B. This is the initial move from here to here. And the price goes above the 50% above the initial move. And the final support above the 50% retracement level, we will look for opportunity to buy using the TSTWSYS 008 trading system. This is what we were discussing in video 1 and video 2, a powerful swing trading and also day trading strategy. All right, very, very powerful. I explained to you the meaning of this pattern, why we are looking for opportunity to buy, the variation. So please watch the video, bullish trade video 1 and 2, before watching this. In this video, I want to show you another type of bullish trade. It's different completely from the one we have discussed before. And I want traders to focus carefully, to pay attention, and not to listen, but to try to understand, okay, what we are trying to say here. All right, because the understanding allows traders to achieve consistent winning trade. It's one thing to know by head, okay, which means you learn it by head. People can ask you questions and say, and you can repeat it like a parrot, but you are not able to put into use in the real world. What we care about is, giving traders the knowledge, but also the understanding, so they can go, testing themselves, and then put into use in real trading environment and make profitable trades. All right. So in this video, what we are talking about is a cycle point, which I explained also to traders before. If the price move down from A, and return back to A, this is the point 8 here, right here, A for alpha. So the price went down, and then return back again to the point A, the starting point. This point here, that's what we call a cycle point. That's it. If the price goes down, on the other hand, all right? So I may say that the price went up from here. If I put another spotlight here. The price went up from here. So this is our new starting point. And then went up all the way here. And then come back again to the starting point. So this is a cycle point at this point in time. You understand? So here the price went down from here all the way to this point. And then return back to the starting point. This is our new cycle point. It's a powerful trading tool. Powerful. Do not discount it, okay? So in this video, when the price goes above a cycle point, which it did here, and then finally support above the cycle point, all right? How do we set the target? It's powerful, all right? Whenever the price breaks above a cycle point, watch it carefully. Because normally, the price will change direction again at a cycle point. If the market is balanced, which means Equal influence of the bull, equal influence of the bear. So here you can see that the bear was selling, and we see equal force has cancelled this bearish move down. But when we start having an imbalanced market, the price will not find a resistance here anymore, which means the bear has failed to sell it again. The opportunity to sell was given here, but the bear did not take it. We have what we call an imbalanced market, which means in this time, the bulls are dominating the bear. If the bull were not dominating the bear, the price will go down again. So we will see something like this. This is based on the market pattern itself. The price will go down again. All right? So the price will go down again if we didn't have an imbalanced force. Here we have an imbalanced force, and the superior force is the bullish traders. We took it above. Now we don't chase it. We wait for it to find a support above. It may come and retest it. All we are looking for is a higher low above the cycle point. But we would prefer the low risk point, which is the retest of the cycle point, the support level. This is the blue horizontal line here. So if the market was not in balance, the price will be sold again here and come back down. If at this point in time we have an imbalanced market here where my cursor is, what will happen? The price will continue to move to the downside, because in this case, if the price continues to move to the downside, it means that we have reached equilibrium zone. I don't want to call it equilibrium zone, not to confuse traders. I want to call this a cycle point. So the price return back to the starting point. In normal condition, this is an invitation for the bull to buy and to take control and to bring it again here. And we will see this going on non-stop. Cycle point, cycle point. But as I'm telling you now in this video, when the price breaks above a cycle point, as it did here, we will look for opportunity to buy. But we will always use a multiple time trading method. We will not go on the 15-minute chart just doing this alone. We will not go on the, all right, hourly chart or 2-hour chart doing this alone. We want to use a multiple time frame trading method. If you see on the hourly chart, now you have to switch to a signal time frame, lower time frame to enter the trade. Powerful bullish trade pattern. So for this bullish trade strategy, the strategy is very simple. Price went down, okay. Now price rises all the way to the starting point, okay. We draw the horizontal line to highlight it. This is cycle point. Are you following me? I say to you, pay attention carefully. Now we look for support level above this zone, higher lows, or price in a rising channel. In what we call, or in an orderly market, you will see that this orderly market is not always in an orderly fashion. You break above it and try to retest it, and then from there we'll take it up. This is a bullish trade video 3 discussing a specific, powerful, okay, bullish price pattern using, okay, what I call a cycle point. All right? Okay? I'll leave my drawing on this chart, so you need to focus carefully. So when we're looking at this stock, okay, Epic WFM, Whiskey Foxtrot Mike, all right, holds Food Markets Incorporation, American stock, listed on the NASDAQ 100. We can see that the stock went above the cycle point, is bullish. All right, now we are waiting. Look carefully. It tried to retest the cycle point, and from there it's running up. Next step, pay attention. If the price breaks above the cycle point, you want to know the drill, you want to know how to do it, so you can use the TSCWSY S008 trading system like a professional traders. When the price breaks above the cycle point, we will join the low here of the initial move, which was bearish, to the cycle point. So from this point, we draw a vertical line, and we will project a line to the cycle point right here. This is our new target price for this stock. You see how it's going fast? Can you see? The market wants to retest this level. Okay? this level here, the red horizontal line. All right? This is our target price level. All right? So the strategy is very simple. Price goes above the cycle point and find a support. We will project the distance from the lowest point right here to the cycle point. We bring it here. And this is our new target. Does not mean that the price will definitely hit the target, but there's a high chance. We are talking about probability. There's a high chance if the price is going up, the bull that are buying it will be willing to secure their gains or take profit when the price reaches this zone. The price will not continue to go up if the fundamentals are not solid. We want to combine the technical analysis with the fundamental analysis, go into Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, do our due diligence, the competition, the products, the cash flow, and the current macroeconomic environment. So we are talking first about the general market environment, which I discussed in Bullish Trade Video 1, Video 2. Now I don't want to dwell on it so much, okay, so you understand. But I'm focusing on this bullish trade pattern. Okay, price breaks above, okay, a cycle point and find a support. This is our new target level. Boom, 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 boom. If it goes above the target level, we will project the same distance above, okay, our target level right here, bringing it up. All right? It makes sense? It makes sense? Okay, if you have any question and you are TSCWSY008 trader, okay, do not hesitate to contact me, all right? All right? Do not hesitate to contact, or even if you are TSTWSYS, TSTW24 trader, you will have any question, all right? Feel free, okay, to send me a quick email, and I will get back to you. As you can see, this is our new target point right here, right in this zone, all right? In fact, my target was a bit exaggerated. In fact, it's somewhere here, so which are drawn already. So we will say it come to this point, okay, this zone. Okay, let's bring it somewhere here. All right, you understand? So we project it above. If you read this target, it goes above it. Game on. If you pull back again and retest again here, which are drawn a line, pull back again and find the support. Boom, next target. We are watching it. We're just taking it step by step. So if it goes above this line, we don't chase it. We want it to pull back a little bit to find the support above it, and then we'll look again, take it there. If it goes above the new target, which is will be this one here, we'll project it again, and we just keep doing it. So, all right, that's what we are looking for. Okay, by step by step, step by step. All right, this video is mainly for swing traders, and as a swing trader, we are looking for a value setup. In this scenario, we want a price to return back to the starting point, so the price goes down. The bearish momentum has been evaporated. The bull take over and brought the price back to the starting point. Very good. This is okay, what I call, we can call equilibrium level, where everything returns to zero, the origin point, the starting point again. We are watching it. If we have an imbalanced market, the price goes above the cycle point. Very often, price changes direction at the cycle point. You will see on a 4-hour chart, on a daily chart, on a quarterly chart, on a yearly chart, it's valid on all time frame. Here we had an imbalanced market. At this point in time, we will check the fundamental. Is that a fundamental reason these stocks will go up again? Is the market bearish? This is about a trading triangle, all right? We do our verification like professional traders without getting too excited, all right? And then we wait for a clear-cut signal. We enter the trade, we manage the trade. Because you want to get it right, if the signal fails, just pull out, all right? Like a general will pull out his soldiers. It doesn't mean that they are losing the war. They pull away to readjust, and then they come back again. That's what we want to do, okay? Step by step. I have another stock that I want to show you. Okay, this stock, the epic is Charlie Tango Sierra Hotel, Cognizant Technology, all right. Here it is. I have my drawing already ready on this chart. We are again on the monthly chart. Let's check how long this video has been going on. Very good. I'm within my time. You can see that the stock went down from here, talking about the cycle point, applying the same strategy consistently. But not only to apply it like a blind person, not, okay, but to not to apply it anyhow, all right, but to understand what is taking place, all right, it's very important, all right, to understand everything, what is taking place. So here again we have an imbalanced market for this cognizant stock, okay. We apply the same strategy again, drawing our target, which I've done already, bringing the price to, you can see I exceeded again, so I adjust it again. My previous drawing, I was very conservative. So this was our new target. The price, you can see the price went above our target. The target was reached. But as the price hit the target zone, pay attention carefully. It's very interesting because I want you to see it, okay? Let's bring this, trying to zoom into it so you can see everything clearly on your charts. Much better, okay? You can see when the price went above the target zone, it went up a bit only to retest it here. But look, there was no signal to buy. The price dipped below it. So this is a bullish trap to a certain degree. That's what I say to you. You want to get it right. If the signal first, just come out. Just come out. Because you know what you are doing. All right? If it's changing, you know. All right? All right? So here, step by step. Okay? Step by step. Draw channel. Draw trend line. All right? This channel and trend line will give you the edge. So now, the price pretends to be, it looks like we have an imbalanced market, but you see, probably, the fundamentals were not some. There was no fundamental reason to buy. The market rejected the imbalanced market and bring it back down. All right? You bring it back down completely to retest almost the previous, you see, this is the previous cycle point. Almost. Tried to retest it, couldn't touch it, but very close. And then you went into triangle here. 1, 2, 3. Now we are above it here. Now we have again, the price again is at the, okay, the cycle point, the previous, this one, the target zone. If I extend my red line, pay attention, that's what I say to you, your concentration should be very good. See? Now we are again above it. If it's found support, if now we have a fundamental reason to buy, but there's a resistance here, traders do not ignore it. For this cognizant stock, there's a resistance here. There's something wrong with this software here. All right. Okay. So there's a resistance here. So if there's a fundamental reason to buy, and we receive a buy signal, the price start going up, again we'll project the target zone, bringing us again right here in the zone of $110, $110 zone. All right, provided that the fundamental are sound. The third stock that I want to show you, following the same steps, price breaks above a cycle point, find a support level, we set a target level, and we follow the steps that we have described using the TWS 008 trading system, a top-down trading method, okay, at a very important low-risk entry point. All right. The next stocks, the epic is a W, okay, a DC, Whiskey Delta Charlie, Western Digital Corporation, listed on the NASDAQ 100. This strategy is valid for all stocks, whether you are in India, whether you are in China, whether you are in Singapore, wherever you are in the world. It's valid for stock listed on the FTSE 100, CAC 40. Valid for currencies, commodity, okay. All financial instruments, this strategy, this bullish strategy is valid, okay. Here again we have a stock, again here, applying our strategy of bullish trade video 3. Pay attention to this zone. The price, so you see, went down. Let's highlight it again. From A to B. All right, this is the B. And return back to the starting point. What's this? This is a cycle point. Yes or no? This is a cycle point. You see the price failed to find a support. You found a support for a while, but there was no fundamental reason. Trader sold it on the edge of my red trend line here. And it returned back below. As the price going down, the level that we want to watch first is the 50%. So it's a bullish trend, video 1 to bullish trend, video 2. So here, it went up from here to here, and it pulled back near the 50% zone. We are watching it. All right? That's the bullish trend, video 1, bullish trend, video 2. I don't want to dwell on that. So as it's going down, we are watching the 50% level again, and using our tool on the edge. In fact, the price from the 50% level, talking about bullish trend, video 1 and 2, the 50% level is the line that the black line that I'm putting on this chart. After failing to find a support above the cycle point, the price returned back to the 50% level of the initial move. Initial move, which one? From here to here. That's the latest one. He found a support there and went up, and then he just retesting the 50% level over and over, and finally he couldn't go below it and start displaying higher lows. And he went up big time. As he goes back above the cycle point, that's bullish trade strategy 2. Do not conform. Strategy 1, bullish trade video 1, video 2, strategy 2, bullish trade video 3. I'm using the two strategy at the same time. What we don't want trader to do is to be applying one strategy and forgetting the other one. We want you to be multi-talented, okay? All right, that's what we want trader to do. As it goes above the cycle point, we know the drill. We just project it again above it. Sometimes you can see here the price did not come back to retest the cycle point as we would prefer it. If it's going up like this, what is it doing? It's in a rising channel. Sometimes the price may go fast like this, like we can see now on the monthly chart. It's just going in straight line, yes or no? It's just going in straight line. It didn't pull back. They just take it away. But as it goes above the cycle point, what do? We know the target level, you see. Here, you hit the target level, you can see that some traders, look. This is our projection here, you see. Bring it to the here. You hit it here, you see, that's the cycle point. The new target is the red one here. Step by step. Now they are chasing it again, the next target level in the zone of $90. Okay? But we are taking the trade at a low risk point. Break above, retest, break above, retest, break above, retest, validation or resistance level at a support level using the TSTWS S008 trading system, a multiple time frame trading. We see a setup on a higher time frame, we go to the signal time frame, we apply the rules. We use the TST key 02 for best entry point on the edge. That's what we are looking for. The TSTWS S008 is not a trading robot, it's not a trading software, it's not a magic formula, it's a simple trading tool that reveals to trader what the price is doing all the time. But the setup, the signal, and the entry point. What we are doing here, we are talking about the setup. Okay? All right? That's what we want traders to do. All right? So here, sometimes I shout a bit or I raise my voice. It's the emotion, it's the feeling, nothing to do with nothing personal. Okay? All right? Okay? So here we keep. So next target level again. Okay? If it goes above it, as I was explaining to traders today in one of the videos that we call, first step to profitable day trading, all right? Sometimes traders may have a losing trade, but they are not upset. They can be a little bit unhappy, but they are not upset because they follow the correct procedure, they follow the correct, guidelines. That's why it's very important for traders to follow the guidelines so they can increase their chance, to be successful, okay? All right? So you see now, price break above the cycle point, we wanted to find a support. Here you see you find a support. Combine the technical with the fundamental. If the signal fell, come out. Okay? Here you pull back. If you start going down, watch it again. Bullish trade video 1, bullish trade video 2, bullish trade video 3. Different strategy, but all about a bullish trade setup. This video is primarily for swing traders that want to swing trade successfully. They can use a top-down trading method, a top-down trading system with this trading strategy, to make excellent swing trading decision. I go over my time, and it's now 24 minutes, so we have been speaking now. I hope you have learned something from this video, and we put into use, to make excellent decision. To avoid swing trading mistake, trader must not take their swing trade on a single time frame. They must always use a multiple time frame trading method. They must also avoid using the technical alone. They must combine the technical and the fundamental. They will use the trading triangle. The trading triangle allows traders to analyze first the market. Is the market bearish? Is the market bullish? What is the current market sentiment? What is the S&P 500 doing? What is the major indices are going through? All right. And then we go to the sector, all right? In this case, we are trading stock that is listed on the Nasdaq 100. What is the Nasdaq 100 is doing, all right? A technology sector, we see the environment, and then we analyze the stock itself. Now, then we go to the balance sheets, current liability, all right? Do they have enough money to pay their current liability? If they're under pressure to pay their current liability, they're under pressure. Okay, look at the competition, all right? Are they crashing under the competition? Looking into their future, are they able to be in business for a long time? Or are they going to have a kind of slowdown for now? Or maybe they will be bullish, but not now. So you look at all of these things, and then if you are happy, all right, you take it. If sometime we don't have everything perfect, all right, so you may decide, okay, I want to take it, I want to give it a chance. In that case, you must manage it and control it, okay? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW S008 traders. Speak to you soon.